Hello, everyone. The video shows how to use Somiibo social media automation bot with YiLu Proxy. Firstly, configure YiLu Proxy settings as shown video. Then forward proxy IP to port. For all YiLu Proxy IPs local port forwarding, directly right-click an IP and select a port. For local port forward, YiLu Proxy client must be running. For dynamic rotating residential or data center IP, select a country, state, and city. Then refresh. Then right-click an IP and select a port. For mobile IP or pro residential IP, as before. You can check multi-port forward information on the port forward list. Then run Somiibo client. Click the 3-point icon on the top right. Click Settings. Click Session. Click plus icon. Enter a session name. Choose a color for this session. Click Advanced Options.
Enter Socks5/127.0.0.1:5500. Because the IP in 5500 port is a static IP, so we use Socs5 protocol here.
You can also set user agent, user script, turn on or off extension.
I directly use the default settings here. Add a new session again.
Because the IP in port 5501 is a dynamic IP, so we need to use HTTP protocol.
Click the plus to add a new tab. Select a session. Use another session. Then enter epinfo.io to check the IP address in the two sessions. The IP address is the same as the IP of port 5500. This IP's location is in Thailand, consistent with YiLu Proxy port 5501. Next, let's test username and password to connect YiLu Proxy dynamic IP or mobile IP. Select another location, such as Swaziland. Refresh. Right-click an IP and copy IP information. For username and password authorization, we can use proxy IPS without running YiLu Proxy client. Because Somiibo only offers 2 free sessions, so I delete one created session. Then create a new session. Enter a session name and select a color.
For dynamic IP or mobile IP, we use HTTP protocol.
Then paste copied IP information. Somiibo supports HTTP//username password at IP port format.
So I select this format in YiLu Proxy client.
Refresh, then right-click an IP and copy IP information. Then paste IP information. Save session. Then open a tab and use the session. Check IP address again. This is an IP in Swaziland. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.